Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Can you say number one? Shower curtain. Very good. Number two, these two words are opposites. Correct. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The shower curtain is clean. The shower curtain is clean. Shower curtain. Shower curtains prevent water from getting on the bathroom floor. Now we can make a flashcard for shower curtain. Please make a flashcard like this. Write shower curtain up here in the top left corner. Two words, SHOWERCURTAIN. Down here in the bottom left corner, BATH 1. This means bathroom level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 13 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Curtain. Shower curtain. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. The mountain is high. The mountain is high. High. The top of the mountain is far away from the ocean and close to the sky. Now we can make a flashcard for high. The opposite of high is low. The mountain is not low. Please write that in your notebook. Please make a card like this. Write B high up here in the top left corner. HIGH. Down here in this corner, A1, adverb 2. A1 means adjective, level 1. That's what we're learning now. And over here in this corner, the number 40 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I am happy. I plus the H, high. We use high and low with these. Fence, wall, price, ceiling. Game over. You did very well today. We learned shower curtain and correct, high and low. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 is a small place where people live. Correct, V, village. Number 2, B, global, all around the world. And nationwide, all over one country. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.